How to set timer on Haier portable air conditioner. Haier manufactures a line of portable air conditioners for cooling single rooms that feature from adjustable cooling settings and multi-speed to a programmable timer to turn the air conditioner on and off. The small remote control supplied with portable Haier AC models helps work the unit remotely. Here we'll give you a step-by-step guide on how to set timer on Haier portable air conditioner. More info. 1. Setting the AC unit to turn off in 60 minutes and up to 24 hours. 2. Setting the timer to turn on the AC unit without losing the previous settings. 3. Setting the times to turn on the air conditioner changes the previous settings. Setting the AC unit to turn off in 60 minutes and up to 24 hours. First of all, make sure that the AC unit is on. Then, press timer. You will notice that the timer off indicator light flashes and that the display shows how much time is left before the unit turns off. Temp time. Use either the up or down button arrow, depending on the setting you wish, until you achieve the desired delay time. Give it 5 seconds to display the time left to timer off. Note that the timer off indicator will still be on. Setting the timer to turn on the AC unit without losing the previous settings. Again, turn the portable air conditioner on and press timer. Unlike with the previous procedure, this time the timer on indicator light flashes. Look at the display to see how much time is left before the unit turns on. Temp time. Use either the up or down button arrow, depending on the setting you wish, until you achieve the desired delay time. You can tweak the delay time and adjust it to your current needs. So, you can set it to turn on in 60 minutes and up to 24 hours. Note that the timer on indicator will not deactivate, it will still be on. Setting the times to turn on the air conditioner changes the previous settings. As with the previous processes, you need to turn on the portable AC unit and then adjust the mode to the desired effect. Choose between DEHM, Energy Save, Cool, and Fan mode. Adjust the fan speed. This applies to DEHM and fan modes only. You can select low, med, or high speed. Adjust the fan speed to auto cool, low, med, or high. This applies to energy save and cool modes only. Set the desired temperature between 61°F, 16°C, and 86°F, 30°C. Note that you cannot set the temperature in fan mode. Press timer. You will see that the timer on indicator light flashes. Look at the display to see the hours left for the device to turn on. Press temp time. Use the down or up arrow buttons to set the desired delay time. You can choose between 1 hour and up to 24 hours. Remember that the timer on indicator light will not switch off. Don't worry, though. This is normal per the manufacturer's guidelines. Note that these instructions were taken from the Haier ESA 408M air conditioner user manual. However, you should normally have no problem setting a timer on another Haier portable air conditioner.